Are you bothered by skin tags and ever wondered how to get rid of them at home? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into a topic that has piqued the curiosity of many: removing skin tags from the comfort of your own home. There's a plethora of methods out there, some undoubtedly more effective than others, so let's not waste any time. Stay tuned as we delve into 9 effective methods for removing skin tags at home. Diving right in, we start with our first 3 methods. First up, apple cider vinegar. This is a tried and tested home remedy for skin tag removal. It works by drying out the skin tag, causing it to fall off naturally. Simply soak a cotton ball in vinegar, apply it to your skin tag, and secure it with a bandage. Repeat this process twice daily. Second on the list is tea tree oil. Known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties, it's also effective in drying out skin tags. Just dab a few drops onto the skin tag using a cotton swab 2 to 3 times a day. Lastly, we have garlic. Yes, garlic. It possesses antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help in removing skin tags. Crush a clove of garlic to make a paste, apply it to the skin tag, and cover with a bandage overnight. That's 3 down, 6 more to go. Ready for more? Moving on, we have 3 more methods to explore. First up is iodine. This essential nutrient helps to break down skin cells naturally. To use it, just apply a drop of liquid iodine on the skin tag, cover it with a band-aid, and let it do its magic. But remember, never apply iodine on an open wound. Next, let's talk about banana peels. Yes, you heard it right, banana peels. The enzymes in the peel are believed to help dissolve the skin tag over time. Just place a small piece of banana peel on the skin tag with the inside of the peel facing the tag and secure it with a bandage overnight. Lastly, we have a baking soda and castor oil mixture. These 2 ingredients together create a paste that can help in removing skin tags. Just apply the paste on the tag and leave it on for a couple of hours. We're 2/3 of the way through. Hang in there, we're almost done. We're now down to our last 3 methods. First up, we have freezing kits. These kits often use a substance like liquid nitrogen to freeze off the skin tag. Simply apply the freezing solution to the skin tag and wait for it to fall off. It's quick, easy, and effective. Next, let's talk about duct tape. Yes, you heard it right, duct tape can help remove skin tags. Just cut a small piece of tape, stick it onto the skin tag, and leave it there for a few days. The skin tag will eventually fall off. Remember to replace the tape every couple of days. Lastly, we have dental floss. Tie a piece of floss tightly around the base of the skin tag. This will cut off its blood supply, causing it to fall off within a few days. Be careful not to tie the floss too tightly though, and that wraps up our 9 methods. Let's do a quick recap, shall we? To summarize what we've discussed, we've explored 9 practical methods to remove skin tags at home. These included simple yet effective solutions like apple cider vinegar, tea tree oil, and garlic, to slightly more intricate methods involving dental floss, nail polish, and aloe vera. We also discussed the merits of banana peels, onion juice, and ginger. Remember, while these methods can be effective, always consult with a healthcare professional before trying them. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this video was helpful. Was